Hello, I'm Adam. Welcome to the vlog. Today we are holidaying in Sarteano, Italy, in the Tuscan hills, and we're staying at an absolutely enormous villa. So it's number 18. So this is the road outside, so it's quite a fairly quiet road. We've got a co-op down there, post office, etc. A few shops in Sarteano, bakers, ice cream shops, all that sort of stuff. If you go and, oh, who's this? Hello, Daniel.
Hello, welcome to my palace.
So here we go. This is the driveway. Again, you can see it's already big. Got all your wood for winter, table tennis, table football, etc. Okay. We've also got the garden over there, which was nice. We can have a look at that in later. The first thing to do is come into sort of the, I don't know, the entrance. The entrance is bigger than most people's houses. Have a look. Oh, look at this. So we get a massive space already. You can get lost in this house. And they have an old Bentley. Again, we can't take it for a drive, unfortunately, but it is cool. Over here, you've got your laundry room, your pool. So the laundry room's in here. Again, there's a toilet there with a shower. All your facilities are here. Okay. This house is so big, it's untrue. This way, the swimming pool. So it's just covered up at the moment. But it's nice and new. You keep the heat in by covering it. But it is a nice place to sit, swim, play games, have a pool party.
This room hasn't been used at all.
I did some weights the other day. There's a little gym. I mean, the gym is pretty old. Oh look, there I am. I've got my Italian flag chunks on. Hello. And then, so this is just literally, downstairs. Then here, back up, we can go up the stairs into the main house. Oh, there's a big garage in there, but nothing to really see. Have we got the key, Daniel? It might be. Let's hope it's not locked. It's not locked. Hooray. Little lobby area. Hello? Yes. Hello? So we're coming up the stairs, and this leads out onto the main street. And don't look us out, Daniel. So up there's a few bars, cafes, restaurants, and the same down there, as you can see. It's very quiet. A few more shops, etc. And then coming up here, you can sort of see the massive spaces. So you've got your sort of, who knows, there's so many, I'm not even going to tell the rooms. The landing. Yes, then go into here, you've got the kitchen. There we go, everything you could possibly want is available. There's hundreds of glasses, knives and forks, old pans, everything you could possibly want. It's our last day today, so we're trying to empty all the food. Pantry area, got your fridge, etc. This is the dining room. So we've had 9 people around here. We could probably fit more in, and I think the table extends. More room here. And then another big room here. This is where we normally sit. This is sort of the main room of the house, if there is such a thing. Chandeliers. And if we go outside from here, you can see the terrace. Well, that's the garden down there. We've been just sat there sunbathing. It's very hot today. 26 degrees. And then you've got a massive terrace, which is really nice to see. We had drinks here last night, etc. And you can see the views of all the mountains. Look at this. Stunning, stunning views. You got your church. You hear the bells ringing out. Nice flowers, etc. But you say you can eat outside if you want like to. So we'll come back inside now. Another room here with a grand piano. More rooms. Daniel doesn't like the Zoom, so we haven't really sat in here. It's just another room you can use. And then another room here, another room. Okay, another piano. There is a bathroom in there. We don't need to see that. We can have a quick look. Bathroom, etc. Okay. And then another room here. For some reason there's a dental chair. We don't quite know why.
It's a barber chair.
Is it barber chair?
I think so.
And then this is our bedroom. It's a bit messy because we're just packing. Massive room. I mean, it's bigger than, you know, some people's houses, this room. And we have an ensuite as well. I think there's about 6 bedrooms and 6 en-suites. We won't be, here we go. That's it. Hello again. Cool. And then more rooms to look at. Another big room. Oh. Someone's asleep. Oh, there's Phil. Say hi, Phil.
Hi, Phil.
Well done. And then, oh, another, I think, no, that's all the rooms downstairs.
You want to put some lights?
It's fine. And then, and more rooms up here. So I can't show you all the bedrooms because people are in them, etc. But there is another living room up here. This is a good room. We had games night in here the other day. Got your bookcase. I've not even been down here. Oh, what's up there? I think that door's locked. We can't go that way. And then more bedrooms. So there's a bedroom there with an ensuite. A big cupboard in there. Another bathroom here. That's another bedroom in there, so we won't go in there. I think. I don't really know. Another bathroom. Oh, this is a nice bedroom. So we haven't used this bedroom. Hello, Mr. Teddy. So that's kind of cool. And then is there something down here? And another space. That leads to another house, we think, so we don't go down there. And then there's another bedroom in there, which is kind of big 4-poster bed. And then your writing desk here with a balcony. So there you go, that is the house. So like I said, there are lots more bedrooms we haven't shown you, but overall it's enormous. Good place to play hide and seek, if that's what you want to do, or sardines. But yeah, really nice day, definitely recommend it for a week holiday if you want a week in Tuscany.